Hello and welcome to Cook Security Group's Cook Command Center tutorials. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate to the Piko VMS via the Remote View module. When you log into Cook Command Center, you'll see this page. This is known as our service dashboard for a customer view. In the locations map, you should see all of your locations associated with your organization. Up above, you'll see 4 interactive tabs, first one being locations, next being security open service orders, the next being ATM open service orders, and then lastly preventative maintenance service orders. What I'm going to show you today is down in the remote view module. If you don't have the remote view module but have remote view on some of your equipment, you'll have to get in touch with the admin of your organization to get these added to your views. So as you can see, I navigated to the Piko VMS module. This dashboard page is going to give you a similar look to your current dashboards page. As you'll have the server status being online, offline. You also have your associated cameras showing recording online, unauthorized, and offline. Down below, you'll have your video recorders. You can see which version of Piko you're on. And you can actually drill in to your video recorder details. So it'll tell you what type of server you have. It'll also show you associated cameras with their recording state. If I wanted to view live video, I could come over here and view the live feed of that associated video as well. As you can see, it shows the live image and the live feed that has taken place on this particular camera. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.